Now, although we are months into the coronavirus pandemic, testing and treatment still remains limited. This has led researchers to look for out-of-the-box ways to manage the crisis. Now, could man's best friend be able to join the efforts in minimizing the spread of COVID-19? A new one-of-a-kind COVID-19 project is trying to find out whether or not medical detection dogs are able to sniff out the virus in people. Now, some experts are of the view that this can bring huge relief to the current pressure for testing.
So we believe dogs can detect COVID-19 and we'll be able to screen hundreds of people very, very rapidly so we know who needs to be tested and isolated. We have evidence that dogs can detect bacteria and other diseases. So we believe that taking this project forward will make a huge difference to the ability to control COVID-19 spread.
Let's tell you how dogs would detect coronavirus. Dogs skilled to sniff out coronavirus would be trained relatively in the same way as pups who detect diseases like cancer. Now, for that process, dogs use their highly sensitive noses to sniff the cancerous fumes that waft from the diseased cells. These cancerous cells have specific odors that humans cannot smell, but pups can. Now, similarly, medical detection dogs smell samples from urine, breath and swabs to sniff out the disease. Now, research groups are trying to uncover the odor that is exuded by COVID-19. Now, asymptomatic carriers are frequent COVID-19 spreaders. That's where the coronavirus sniffing dogs could come into play. These trained pups could be used on a wide scale for non-invasive testing, and they could screen up to 250 people per hour if the study proves successful. But so far, the researchers have yet to establish that COVID-19 has a distinctive odor. The question isn't if the dogs can sniff out the COVID-19 virus, it's whether the virus has a characteristic odor. Another possible hurdle could be whether the dogs can replicate detection in the field and not only in the laboratory.